Tekmetric Shop Management System Tutorial. How to use Tekmetric. So, Tekmetric is a cloud-based shop management platform created specifically for modern auto repair shops. It streamlines your operations by combining estimates, work orders, inspections, scheduling, customer communication, and reporting all in one place. Designed by shop owners for shop owners, Tekmetric isn't just software, it's a business growth tool. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, here are the features of Tekmetric. Solutions, resources, about. You can see here also about and pricing. So some of the features here in Tekmetric includes repair and order and smart jobs, digital vehicle inspection, appointment scheduling and task management, inventory and vendor management, employee and time tracking. Talking about pricing, so here are the prices. If you want to unlock this feature, you need to pay for the specific amount right here. And as you can see, these are the features that you can unlock and use if you pay this amount of $199 per month. And for $349, and then you can unlock these features right here, which are indeed very beneficial and advantage for your soon-to-be business, or if you have business already. Also, this amount right here, $439, you can unlock this feature. And if you want to upgrade more and see more features, and then you can contact them and ask from their or one of their agents. Now, these are the features that you can get and unlock once you have upgraded your plan from the basic version of Tekmetric. And as you can see, all plans include unlimited creation, devices, support, and so on. So it's up to you if you want to upgrade, but I suggest that you select from any of this. Now, if you're interested and you want to schedule a demo, you just have to simply tap on schedule a demo right here and then enter some information such as your name, also your last name, and so on. Now, why is it important to request a demo in Tekmetric? So, requesting a demo in Tekmetric is a smart move, especially if you're considering switching or upgrading your shop management systems. Here you can see the platform in action. Tekmetric is packed with tools from repair orders to digital inspections, inventory, and reporting. You can understand what's built for your shop type, learn how it can boost your business, and ask your questions live. Also, discover efficiency gains you might miss alone. There is also no risk exploration. So all you have to do is to proceed and schedule a demo here. Also, keep in mind that requesting a demo of Tekmetric lets you evaluate the software with your shop in mind. Not just read about features, but experience how they will make your business run smoother, faster, and more profitably. So, if you like a demo prep checklist or list of questions to ask, then basically you can try the Tekmetric demo. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. So talking about the features here in Tekmetric, let's go first to the products feature right here. So here you can see smart repair orders and smart jobs, job and technician boards, appointment scheduling and calendar, digital vehicle inspections, time tracking for employees, inventory and vendor management integration two-way under this mobile application. So these features boost productivity because, of course, it can help you this less admin work, better workflow visibility, and so on. Now, talking about solutions or the features, you can see here independent auto repair and multi-location. Now, here in resources, you can see here blog, help center knowledge base. You can also see here FAQ section, customer support team, Tekmetric Training Hub, video library, blog and editorials, webinars, downloads page, community and events, release notes, and platform updates. You can see it all here, and if you want to know more, you just have to click each of this section. Now, if you scroll down here on the homepage, and then basically you can see more options such as the shop management in Tekmetric, which is one of the most essential tools of Tekmetric. So basically, shop management is Tekmetric refers to the complete set of tools and features designed to help auto repair shop owners, service advisors, and technicians efficiently run daily operations, from scheduling appointments to invoicing and tracking performance. So, what is shop management in Tekmetric? It includes repair order management, scheduling and appointments. Number three, digital vehicle inspections. Number four, inventory management. And number five, customer vehicle records. Now, talking about CRM and marketing. Yes, Tekmetric offers CRM or customer relationship management and marketing features that help auto repair shops attract, retain, and engage customers while making communication and relationship building easy and efficient. So, here you can see customer relation management, communication logs, vehicle service history, customer notes, and tags. Also, here you can see this marketing and customer engagement tools where you can appoint reminders, service recommendations and follow ups, maintenance reminders, review requests. And now let's move on to this tire suite. So, what is this here in your Tekmetric? So, tire suite in Tekmetric is a specialized feature set designed to help auto repair shops seamlessly quote, sell, order, and manage tires, all within the platform. It simplifies what is often a complex and time consuming process, especially for shops that sell tires alongside general repair services. So you can see it right here: tire lookup and quoting, integrated vendor catalogs, quote to invoice workflow, tire installation management, tire fees, compliance, and tire sales reporting. Now, if we go back and then we can see this multi-shop management. So, multi-shop management in Tekmetric is a powerful feature designed for auto repair business that operate across multiple locations. It provides centralized control, visibility, and consistency, making it easier to manage operations, staff, and performance across all shops from one unified platform. Lastly, technology integration. So, Tekmetric offers a wide range of technology integrations that enhance shop operations, streamline workflows, and improve the customer experience. These integrations allow repair shops to connect with leading tools in parts, ordering, payments, marketing, accounting, customer communications, and more. So basically, these are just the basic information and like an overview of this Tekmetric platform. So basically, this one is very useful, especially if you are planning to have a shop management system, if you want to run a business, and if you have your teams with you. If you want an easier workflow for your job, then this platform is the one for you.